Lorelai. Go get her. He's just posing for pictures.
Really a nice shaped head.
What?
Her head is shaped very nicely.
You got me. Can you stand up? Uh-oh! Crush your head. Crush your head. What's back there? Sapphire's toys? I don't think you want to play with Sapphire's toys. Yeah, I know where you're going to put Sapphire's
yes, I
toys.
do.
What
do you mean I don't want to play? Of course I want to play with Sapphire's toys.
There you go. There you go. What's Daddy doing? Playing with the computer again? Huh? Oh. Wait, you think you can stand up for yourself? Huh? Up again, down again, up, down, up, down, up. Inside voice, Lorelai.
I see you.
You see Grandma? Can you go see Grandma?
I see you.
Come on.